Make a great choice today with the 2020 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.